In the last lecture, we have studied prisoner's dilemma. In prisoner's dilemma, as we have seen, there is information asymmetry between two nations. That is why they go for avoiding worst case scenario. Right? Right. The stag hunt is very similar concept to that. Right? Stag hunt is very similar concept to that. But stag hunt is about information asymmetry or information deficit or trust deficit in group of countries. In group of countries. Right? It says that it is not possible for nations to cooperate for longer durations. Right? To explain this, to explain this, and to explain that states eventually go for individual goals. Right? It is not possible for nations to cooperate for longer duration, and states eventually go for individual goals. There is a game which scholar explain, the game of stag hunt. What is stag? It is like it is a horse. Four people go for stag hunting in a jungle. They make a pact between themselves that who the person who is going to find the stag the first will call others, and the four will collectively hunt that stag and will be set for food for at least 2 to 3 nights. Right? Four friends hunting stag, and and they realize that if they catch a stag, they are set for 3 to 4 nights of dinner. Right? They go all in different directions because in going different direction makes sense. Right? They all go in different directions. One person in these four friends find a rabbit. This one person kills the rabbit, eats it, and sleeps there. Why does he kill that rabbit? Why does not go for stag hunting or stag looking for stag? Right? One person kills the rabbit and eats it. Why? Because number one, he's not sure if he's not going to kill the rabbit, other person will not. Right? He's not sure if he lets go of rabbit, others may catch it. And the second thing he's worried about, that if they are going to catch the stag, right? Is it possible to catch the stag? This is the second thing he's worried about. So what the person will do, he will avoid the worst. It will catch the rabbit, will eat it, and sleep. Do not care about anyone else. Right? What it basically says that cooperation in long term is not possible. Right? This is what stag hunt is all about. Right? I will say, I will give you example of climate negotiations. 2015 Paris Pact happens, right? Within till 2020, you see Paris Pact failing together, right? It failed. US never was a part of it. Russia got out, Australia got out, China got out. China wanted extension, India wanted extension, right? If all the countries cooperated, the situation with respect to climate change would have been much better. But all but people were not sure if they do things, others will do the same things or not. So cooperation may not be reciprocal. This is the deficit, this is the trust deficit they have with each other. That is why people go for, or not people, but nations go for avoiding the worst and not caring about each other, just caring about their national interest. The idea of this tag hunt, that is, cooperation is not possible in long term, was used by game theory scholar Joseph Nogi in his concept of quasi negotiation. His concept of quasi negotiations. He has said that international negotiation fail because people are with joker cards, right? People are with joker cards. People are not there in international platforms for cooperation, but to fail others' plan. If India and Pakistan are at a multinational forum and India has an agenda, Pakistan will say that Kashmir you are doing wrong. If Pakistan has an agenda, India will say you are doing wrong because of terrorism. And the agenda of each other, they will try to fail. This is quasi negotiations. Basically saying that in multinational cooperation, negotiations fail or cooperation fail because state go for national interest. That is the idea. Because states are not sure if they go for cooperation, they will be better off. This is the idea. This is scientific theories. We have understood all the scientific theories. We have understood game theories and systems approach as well. The second great debate is done between behavioralist and traditionalist. From the next lecture, we have to understand debate between neoliberals and neorealist will with specific focus on Kenneth Waltz, the most important scholar of international politics, international relations. Thank you so much. I hope this helped. From the we'll start with the next great debate, third great debate, neoliberals and neo-realist. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next lecture. Bye bye. Bye, man.